Ever wonder if you could drink cactus water in a pinch? Spoiler alert, you really shouldn't. Cactus water might sound like a natural refreshing drink, but it's actually a big no-no. Most cacti contain toxins like oxalic acid, which can cause severe stomach pain, vomiting, and even kidney damage. Plus, some can even be fatal if ingested in large amounts. Your body just isn't built to handle these toxins. Instead, stick to safer hydration options like coconut water or good old H2O. They're free from harmful chemicals and packed with the hydration your body needs. Remember, not everything that grows in nature is meant for your water bottle. Want more surprising health tips? Hit that